Hey, Chuck here with Apple Drains. Just a quick note, live help Sunday morning, May 10th, 9 a.m. Eastern. This is a group question and answers video chat, and we're going to use Zoom. You can sign up below in the description box. Take a look. Everyone's invited to join, whether you're a contractor or a DIY. If you really have a passion for the French drains and you have a question, we can definitely answer that question. Only takes a few minutes. Depending on how many people are in the group, I've scheduled 2 hours for Sunday morning, 9 a.m. This is a great way to learn and understand about rainwater drainage. As you watch someone describe their problem and listen to the answers, you'll probably say, hey, that's just like my problem. And you will learn because you see your problem in someone else's yard. Join our group. Next meeting Sunday morning, 9 a.m., May 10th. Get professional advice on how to install all types of rainwater drainage systems. Everything from French drains, downspout drains, channel drains, driveway drains, trench drains. Does a dry well work? How does a sump pump work? How deep do you dig? So many questions, and you will learn from seeing the problems in other people's yards. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.